Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from your boy D at Salvage Nation. I hope you enjoyed the last episode, or the part one of the last episode on my front end retrofit, which was an LCI front end and LED headlight retrofit onto my BMW M135i. And also in that episode, I was doing some work on one of my subscriber cars. He's got a similar M135i as well, but his is the pre-LCI version. And we did some amazing work on that. Right, at the end of that episode, I told you that I've got some finishing touches just to set off his car in the form of KSB front lip, KSB rear spats, and I've got some carbon. And I've also got some interior bits just to fit, just to really set off his car. He's gonna be coming down. He hasn't seen his car in a while, and obviously I wanna get his reaction. And then after that, we're gonna get my car in because I'm expecting BMW to come down and drop off my front grills and some other bits that I've been expecting. And then we're gonna get my car wrapped up, get that car up, get my car wrapped up, get his car wrapped up, and get you guys some slow motion shots and some rolling shots of everything. That is the plan for this episode. So if you want to see all of that, stay tuned. Let's get into it. So guys, take a look at that. That is a beautiful sight, fully working on both headlights. The engine bay is looking really nice. It's coming together. I got my grills. I've actually had these in the boot of this car for the last 5 to 6 months because I knew I was gonna do this mod, but I'm expecting BMW to come down any moment here to sort out, and they're gonna bring down 1, 2, and 3, and I've also got the canards and everything. So we're gonna be sorting out everything on the front end on this car. At a later date, I'm gonna respray this bumper, but for now, I've literally just loosely fitted it on. I need to line it all up and make sure that everything is looking good. But guys, how's this front end looking? I'm speechless. I've got a KSB LCI front end splitter coming down because I can't fit my old splitter, and that's why I'm going to be fitting that old splitter onto the white pre-LCI car. Remember guys, this car never had front parking sensors. I retrofitted front parking sensors as well. Like, the spec on this car now is so crazy, and it's just comfortable. It's everything that I wanted. It's lowered, it's widened, it's got the Motec stance package, fully kitted out on the interior, fully kitted out on the rear end and the front end. It's remapped to stage 2. I'm pushing 430 brake, I believe. It's got the XHP gearbox map. Like, there's nothing more, or maybe there's one more thing that I can do, but that's for a future episode. But there's nothing more that I really can do with this car, and it's just enjoying to drive it. Anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna tear down this front end.
Many unbearable hours later.
Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and I've removed my front bumper and I've got it on the floor right here. We're waiting for BMW to come down. They should be here any minute. They told me it's gonna be first thing in the morning. I've become really good friends with the actual delivery driver who covers this area. He knows the channel. So yeah, we'll wait for that. But I just wanted to give a bit of information. Guys, this thing, it was hours on top of hours. Like, literally in the last episode, when it said 5 hours later, it was literally hours trying to get these things to work. I kept having an issue, or it threw me a bit, where when I did the coding, so when I removed the 522VO code, which stands for xenon lights, and I added the 5A2, which is LED headlights, it stopped giving me the power to the positive. I stopped getting the 12-volt power to the positive wire to each headlight, and I just couldn't get it. But after doing some research, I just want to share this information with you guys. If any of you guys are watching this in the future, you want to do this mod. On the old Xenon system, the power is provided by the front electronic module, the FEM, which is there, and it gives the power to both headlights, and that kind of manages both Xenon headlights. Whereas these LED headlights, they've got new modules, and each individual headlight is its own module. So you actually have to wire. What I ended up doing is I wired in, and this is the way it's done. So I checked on the M4, and my mate has got an M140 with the same headlights. These are directly powered to the fuse box, so it's got a constant power. So it's not given power by the FEM no more. It's got a constant power to each module because each LED headlight is independent of each other. So constant power, and then the FEM would use the CAN network to kind of tell them what to do, and then each light has got its own management or module on each particular headlight. So I ended up having there's 2 new wires that you need to, well, 3. You need to run one constant to the fuse box, and it's fused, it's completely kind of safe, it's not going to catch a fire because it's fused. If anything shorts out, the fuse is going to blow, it's going to cut the power. So one constant wire here, one constant wire there, they go into the fuse box, which is on the here, and just find 2 spare locations, and then I just put the connectors on, put it from the bottom, and then you fuse it, and then you on each wire, and then on each headlight you have to run a high and a low can. So that's just a little bit of information in case any of you guys have ever wanted to try it. If you connect them, they will not fit. They will not work straight away. It's not a plug and play mod. You literally have to rewire and reroute and code before they start to work. But now they're fully working, and I'm very happy with that. But anyway, let's go see if BMW have arrived outside, and then we'll come back and fit up all of these bits on the bumper. Yeah, man, just stick them there.
Yes, nation.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Can I, hold on. Show us what have you got there? I know that's the money. What have you got there? Salvage station. Oh, it is. Nice one, man. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's sparkling cool.
Sparkling water for your
man.
troubles. Don't worry, no face, no case.
You know me, I'm not celebrity.
I've done, yeah, no face, no. And just like that, guys, we've got what we need. 1, how much did I pay? 175 quid all in, which is not too bad. 2, this is the main grill, and then I've got, what is this? Toe eye cover as well, needs to spray. But let's get all of these out and get them on. So guys, I've just ran into my first little issue. Everything is going together on the bumper really nicely, but this is my parking sensor loom from my pre-LCI car. And this is just further proof that BMW have made the front end a little bit more wider, more aggressive, more broader. This is stretching a little bit. It's still gonna work, but I'm not happy having it stretch just like that. And even if I bring it, I can't shift it anymore. I've got a lot of kind of spare stretch, for lack of a better word. But I've got this bit here, but then it still needs to go in at that first one. So I've got just a thing to sort this out. So let's sort this out and then get it on the car. Long hair you have. Oh, wow. It's never ending. It's like a magic trick. No way. Is it alright now?
Better. Later.
Guys, tell me, how sick does the front end on this car look now? I've taken it from the pre-LCI to the LCI version. Just let me know what you think in the comments down below. I just think that this car is so complete. I've not had such a complete car on the roster since I've been doing Salvage Nation. I've taken my time, and a lot of people are asking, why didn't you just buy an M140? Well, as you know, I got this at a really good deal. It's a 135i at the price that I got the breaker car for, which was 1K. That gave me everything. Why not? I've taken my time and I've done all the performance mods. It's got that MHD tune, it's got the gearbox tune on there, and I didn't want to do it to a new car. It's got everything that I needed. It's running the Motec stance package, so it's lowered, it's widened, it's got so much going for it, and I just wanted to bring it up to the current model. So far, guys, this is the end of the retrofit series. I've retrofitted the rear end, the interior, and now I've completed the front end. This car is complete. There's only one more mod that I can do, and that is a LSD. I'm not sure. Let me know if I should do that at a later stage, but for now I'm just enjoying driving this car. It looks amazing, it sounds amazing, and I want you to tell me what you think. So I hope that you enjoyed this episode. The car is done. This car is done. If you see me out and about, just a lot of people have been seeing me recently, just hit me up. I'm not gonna bite, trust me. Just bib, wave, do whatever you want to do, and I'll shout you back. But this is where we're gonna head off, man. And one more thing, it's Father's Day today, so I want to say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there who are following the channel. Keep it up, keep up all the hard work, keep holding down your family. And I'm gonna go home now. It's bright and early. I'm gonna go home and enjoy my family. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Almost forgot the camera, can't forget this. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.